Hey, well, Cycle Houston is gearing up for their 20th annual bike build. It's the biggest event for them of the entire year. They're going to be building these bikes. Take a look at all of these behind us. This is just the small amount of what is going to be built coming up at NRG Center this weekend. Rebecca Roberts, you guys are incredible. For people who have not heard about your charity and the things that you do with Cycle Houston, why don't you give us a little bit of an info about it?
Okay, Cycle. Changing young children's lives through education.
Okay.
What we do is we go into the schools, we go to second graders in Title I schools. We say to them, you have to improve your literacy. It is so important that you are literate. If you do what your teacher expects of you and you have some good behavior, at Christmas time we'll bring you a bike and a brand new helmet. Who wants a bike?
Me! I bet the decibels are through the roof with excitement.
Terrible.
Yeah.
So loud.
Amazing.
So now we've got to that stage. We've raised some of the money, not all of the money, but a lot of the money throughout the year. We've had golf tournaments, we've had a gala, all kinds of things. We get donations from foundations, from individuals. Now we have to build over 7,000 bikes in 4 days.
In 4 days? Why do you do this to yourself? I'm just...
Because, you know, we have the most amazing partners. We have corporations who come out and build. We also have individuals like yourself. You might say, you know what, I'm not doing anything on Saturday or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm going to sign up. Mm-hmm. It's $65. This is Giving Tuesday. So many people are giving today. You can give, but also you can receive something back. You're going to get the pleasure of building bikes. You bring your kids out with family of 4, it's $150.
But I mean, you get back something that's got no dollar amount on it, right? The feeling that you are going to get knowing where these bikes are going is irreplaceable.
Absolutely. Now, these bikes we're building right now, they're going out on Friday morning at 7 a.m. to a school in Spring Branch.
Okay.
We're checking the helmets, as you can see, and thank goodness for some of my core team. My core team have to have a big shout out as well as my board. It's a group of about 50 individuals who for the past 20 years, I don't know, they've stayed with me.
So let me ask you this. We were chatting about this before we were doing our segment here. About how many bikes have you done over the last 20 years?
Take a big deep breath. 185,000.
Oh my God.
We'll be over 190,000 this year, and it's our 20th anniversary. But next year, come and help us build our 200,000th bicycle.
That's so amazing. Okay, so for people who want to get information, they want to come out on Saturday, where can we go?
www.cyclehouston.org.
Okay.
Sign up. There's tabs along the top. Make sure that you go to Get Involved. Get signed up. Okay. Even a corporation can still sign up right now.
Yeah, for sure.
You know, if they want to do a team build during the week, we're more than welcoming to them. And also we do that throughout the year.
Okay.
A lot of corporations later in, you know, the beginning of the year and
right.
throughout the year, they want to do builds. So we are so
how
glad.
did my air putting in the tire skills go?
I think the kid who gets that bike is going to go, this is a KPRC Channel 2 bike. This is the best bike ever.
Oh, now that I have something else to put on my resume,
Yeah,
bike builder.
Bike builder. No, well, tire
error, pressure.
Maybe error.
Well, you guys are doing so many incredible things. Congratulations on all the amazing things that you've done so far and the great, beautiful smiles I know you've put on children's faces. Much continued success. I cannot wait to check back in at the end of this year and next year to see the 200,000th bike. That's incredible. So congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Happy holidays.
Same to you, but remember, it's all about literacy.
All about literacy. You got it. If you guys want more information, I'm going to put a link up also, HoustonLife.tv. Derek and Tessa, incredible job that Cycle Houston is doing. We're just happy to be a part of it.
We love that.
Guys.
And just the sight of those bicycles stacked up, it's a beautiful thing.
The smiles on kids' faces that they're going to have when they get their new bike.
Sure
I mean,
is.
a bike means freedom for so many kids. It's so cool. It's such a memorable core memory.
Yeah.
A memorable core memory.
Beautiful efforts. The literacy work, too, is just absolutely fantastic.